Hi everyone, welcome to Ling 100 Communication and Language. This course covers a wide range of topics in linguistics, from animal communication systems and human language, to writing systems, to first and second language acquisition, to neurolinguistics, and all the way up to computational linguistics. This course meets Wednesdays from 2:30 to 5:20 p.m. However, usually we will not take the entire 3 hours, and attendance is completely optional. All of the lectures will be recorded and uploaded online so you can watch them whenever you want. In fact, if you are going to attend the lectures on Wednesdays, you can probably stop watching this video right now. However, if you are going to work on this course asynchronously, you could continue watching the video as I go over the course syllabus and go through all of the different activities that you will be expected to do in a week. But if you'll be there, I will cover that during the first lecture. So this is the Canvas page. All of the links to the important things will be on the front page, and I update these each week so you know what you're doing. However, if you want to see materials from weeks past, check out the modules on the left-hand side of the page. So here's the course syllabus. Some information about me and the TAs are on the front here. We have two TAs on the course, Jesse Weir and Sarah Williamson. They'll be doing the majority of the marking. I have office hours Tuesdays from 2:30 to 3:30 on Zoom. Most of the time you can contact me by appointment. I have a schedule on the front page, and the TA will have some extra office hours before any assignments or exams are due. There's no required reading in the course. There is some recommended reading. You do not need to do any of that to do well in the course. All of the necessary information will be on the lecture slides. However, if you're taking a course like Ling 220 or you want some more background information, the recommended book here is not a bad purchase. In fact, it's quite a good book for general linguistics courses, so if you are planning on taking future linguistics courses, it is a good purchase. The weekly schedule is laid out here. I don't anticipate any changes to this schedule, so for the most part, the assignments and test dates are set in stone. The lecture topics might shift around a little bit if we don't get these finished in time. However, everything should be set. Okay. As far as grades and assignments and tests go in this course, about 50% of your work comes from doing practice exercises and assignments, and half your grade comes from tests. So I'll show you each of these on Canvas. Practice exercises are some weekly questions to keep you up with the course. Everything is online, so it's important that as we go through the material each week, you get some practice, making sure that you understand the material as we go along so you're not cramming 1 week before each test. The assignments are big picture ideas that get you to use the material you've learned with real world applications, and the tests are there to make sure that you've really understood the material and can apply them in a more timed environment. Now, all of these things can be done asynchronously. So let's take a look at each of these. So practice exercises are usually due Wednesdays by noon. Each practice exercise you have 3 attempts, and once you take an attempt, you'll be able to see your grade immediately. The questions are randomized each time you take them, so sometimes you'll see the same questions, sometimes they'll be different. They're based on the concepts you learned in lecture. So these are not things that you look for and answer directly in the lecture. You learn the concepts, you read the question, you then apply the question. You can submit your work, you'll get a grade, you can attempt it again. And at any time, you're able to ask questions to me. You can post them on the discussion board. You can work with friends. They're open book, so you can ask for as much help as you want, and you can get the grade that you want. So do not feel bad if you need a lot of help with these. But these are not meant to be really difficult. They're just meant to make sure that you understand the concepts each week. So those are the practice exercises. There are 1 of those each week. At the end of the course, your lowest practice exercise will be removed. Furthermore, there is the Linguistics Research Participation System, which you can find on the syllabus. And with the Research Participation System, you can take a look. There are different ways to get credits, and for each credit you get through this system, you can remove 1 additional practice exercise. So by the end of the course, you can have 3 of your lowest practice exercises removed by participating in the Research Participation System. So this can be your 3 lowest exercises, or if you miss 3 throughout the semester, you can have those 3 lowest scores removed. For assignments, there are 3 of these in the course. These are a little bit more involved. Again, these are more big picture ideas. Basically, for every lecture, there's going to be one bigger question where you do something in the real world. You can do these in groups of up to 3 people, or you can do them by yourself or in pairs. They're all meant to be doable by one person. And you just submit these as a PDF on Canvas. So none are publishable right now, but you'll see a PDF. You can upload them as a file, or you can type them out as a text file and just upload those there. Finally, the tests on Canvas. The tests are also done asynchronously, so you do not need to be on Zoom during the 3-hour period. What will happen is between 8 a.m. PST and 8 p.m. PST, you will be able to start one of the 2 components for the test on Canvas. So there's 2 components. There's a multiple choice and multiple answer component. Then there is a short answer component. You have to complete the multiple choice or multiple answer component first, and once you do that, you'll be able to do the short answer component. So anytime between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m., you can start that, and then you'll do the 2, and then you'll be finished. Before each test, I will post a test guide on Canvas that will tell you exactly how many points come from each lecture. It will tell you exactly what the multiple choice or multiple answer questions will be on, and it will tell you exactly what the questions you'll get for the short answer questions. So there will be no guessing for what you'll be asked for the test. You'll know exactly what you'll be asked. You just won't know exactly which specific scenario you'll be asked about. So we'll learn different things in animal communication, different things in sounds, words, and sentences, and so on. So you'll be familiar with the concepts. You'll know what you'll have to do. You just won't know which sentences or which words or which animal I'm going to ask you about until you start that test. Then, of course, there's all these course expectations and resources and policies and typical stuff that you can read on your own. Now, if you're watching the lecture videos asynchronously, on the front page you see an important link for lecture videos. You can click on that. All of these will be uploaded both on YouTube and they'll be downloadable. So if you don't have access to YouTube, you'll be able to download them onto your computer. But if you have access to YouTube, of course, that'll save you time for download, and YouTube will have them auto-captioned as well, and you can speed them up to 2 times speed, so you don't have to listen to me talk super slowly if you don't want to. Assignment instructions and solutions will also be posted here, as well as me going over the test guides. So all the videos you need will be on the lecture video page. They will also be posted up in the lecture module sections alongside the lecture notes and the practice exercises and everything you need. So that is it. Welcome to the course. And if you're coming to the synchronous lectures, I'll see you Wednesday. If not, email me at tblock@sfu if you ever have any questions, or post on the discussion board, and I'll see you there.